Howdy there, fellow digital pioneers. Welcome back to Tech Talk, where we embark on a thrilling journey through the world of cybersecurity. Today, we're saddling up for an in-depth exploration titled Understanding Cybersecurity, Protecting Yourself Online. The internet is the Wild West of our time, and just like those trailblazing cowboys of old, we need to protect ourselves out here. Yee-haw, partners! We're venturing into the untamed frontier of the internet, and it's a treacherous landscape. The digital desperados out there are like the bandits of old, lurking in the shadows, ready to pilfer your data, your finances, and your peace of mind. But don't you fret, because today, we're arming you with knowledge. Let's start by getting to know these virtual outlaws. On the most wanted list, we've got hackers, phishers, and malware, each with their own nefarious tactics. Think of hackers as the sharpshooters aiming for your digital weak points. Phishers, well, they're the modern-day con artists trying to swindle you out of your secrets. And malware? That's the outlaw gang causing chaos in your devices. It's time to gear up, folks. We're in the midst of a digital showdown. Your arsenal includes firewalls and trusty antivirus software as your sidekicks. Your strong, unique passwords? Well, consider them your six-shooters and two-factor authentication. That's your bulletproof vest. And remember, keeping your devices up to date is like oiling your revolver. It keeps everything running smooth. Now that you're packing heat, let's hit the digital trails. When you're out in the cyber wilderness, tread carefully. Stick to secure websites with HTTPS in the address bar. Be vigilant against suspicious emails and links. They might just be snake oil salesmen in disguise. But these cyber outlaws are sly. They'll try to charm you with social engineering schemes. They might masquerade as your long-lost cousin or your bank, sweet-talking you into revealing your deepest secrets. But don't be fooled. It's just a digital mask. Always verify identities and maintain a healthy dose of skepticism. It's your best defense against these online swindlers. Let's talk data hygiene. Think of it as taking a digital bath. Regularly clean up your digital tracks by deleting unnecessary data and use encryption tools for safeguarding sensitive information. Consider it the digital equivalent of locking your treasures in a vault. Remember, the cyber frontier is ever-changing. Stay updated on the latest threats and security patches. Cybersecurity is a lifelong journey, not a one-time shootout. Stay vigilant, my friends. And that, partners, wraps up our adventure. Understanding cybersecurity, protecting yourself online. In this digital Wild West, knowledge is your six-shooter, and vigilance is your trusty steed. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the cyber game with Tech Talk, and let us know your thoughts and comments below. Together, we'll ride the digital trails, unmask the outlaws, and safeguard our online frontier.